Hey there guys, so today's video we're going to be talking about the LOC or the LCO method. This is the order in which you're supposed to apply your preferred products. So I'm starting out on freshly washed hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give myself a massage for like a minute before I start with the LOC method. In this video, I'm going to be trying out the LCO method, and the reason why I'm doing that is because it works better for me, and I will explain why as we go along. I'm going to start with my liquid, which is the leave-in conditioner, or you can try to use water. So because my hair is a little bit dry, I'm just going to make sure that I apply some water, which is the liquid, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the conditioner. I'll go ahead and follow that with my cream, which is the coconut curling cream that I'm going to be using by Cantu. You can use a heavy cream if you have. You can try shea butter, you can try a parting, or whatever it is that moisturizes your hair. You can go ahead and apply that. My last product will be the oil, and I'm going to be using the olive oil. I like this oil because it is very light and it helps seal in all the moisture that I've just applied. As you apply the oil, just make sure that you take your time with this last product. Work it into the hair strands and concentrate mostly on the ends of your hair because those tend to be dry. And so if you're moisturizing with this method, you want to make sure that you concentrate more on the ends of your hair. Whenever I do this method, I retain so much moisture for as long as a week. And that could be a lot for a lot of people, especially if you have really dry hair or you don't moisturize your hair as often. As for me, because of this method, I'm able to retain that much moisture for a long period of time. But if you have dry hair, it may take you about 2 to 3 days, which is pretty good. But as much as you get used to the method, you can retain as much length as you want. And the best way to grow your hair is to moisturize your hair. And this works so much better. So what's the difference between the LOC method and the LCO method? In the LOC method, the oil comes second. However, the oil isn't a moisturizer. The oil is an effective sealant. So in order for the moisture to be truly locked in for longer, it's better if the oil comes last as practiced in the LCO method, which I also love to do instead of the LOC method. While both oil and butter have the ability to create a layer of protection along the hair shaft to prevent moisture from escaping, the method works much better with oil on top of everything rather than the other way around. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hopefully you found it very helpful. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my wig, and that's all I do. Put on my wig. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.